In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club website not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is reload the page. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Click on this icon for several times. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection. Next up, clear cache for the browser. For that, click on three dots given at the top right. Now select the option Settings. Go to the option Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, click on View All Permission. Now here, search for Sam's Club's website. Once it appears, click on the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Next thing you want to do is, if you are connected to any VPN or extensions, you'll need to disable it. For that, navigate to this section of My Extension. From here, you can disable or completely remove the extension that are suspicious. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, or security software that may be interfering with this site's content, so you'll need to disable or remove these. Likewise, go to About Chrome and update the browser. Next up, you can try to access the website in another browser such as Microsoft Edge or Firefox. This might resolve the issue. If these solutions didn't work out for you, contact Sam's Club customer support and provide details such as your browser version, operating system, device type, membership account, and any error messages you receive. And that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.